Then they started building Chester Park, the amusement park in 75. But in 79, they put the name Chester Park. It was originally known as Winton Place Station, because that's the area of town it was built in back in 1872. And so I'm not sure how long the name Chester Park was on the building. There was nothing said about that. But eventually, the park closed in 1931, but the swimming pool stayed until the 50s. A combination of amusement park and horse track. And how it got its name is that there was a lady that owned a horse called Lady Chester, and so they named the park after the horse. And but the horse track didn't last very long, or it lasted, but they made the area for the track was into a lake, and had a ride going, a train ride going around the lake.
Cool.
And but it had a ride called the Tickler, Dream House, Bug House, high wire act going over the lake or the water, and a slide in the swimming pool, almost like Coney is now, or the swimming pool, but it wasn't that big compared to Coney pool, because I think the Coney, the Sunlight Pool is the largest recirculating pool around. But some people remember it by going there. You know, their father went there or grandfather went there, and but a lot of people look at you like, really? It was built by B&O Railroad, and matter of fact, when they brought the building here in the 70s, now it took it a year or two to put up, but it got here in 1970. And B&O donated the track that's out front. People had to come here to send a telegram to their friends across town. It's the only way they can communicate with them besides mail. And so no phones were invented at that time. I'm not sure when the phones became popular, but that's what they had to do back then. The building itself was down on the corner of Spring Grove and Clifton Avenue is where this building was located, and the park was across the street. And they started building the park in 1875, and shortly after the station was built. And then when they got it up and running, the park up and running, which was across the street from this station on Spring Grove, they changed the name of the station to Chester Park. But originally it was known as Winton Place Station when it opened in 1872, because that's the area of town it was built in. But then over the years, I'm not sure when they changed it, they changed it to Spring Grove Township. B&O, Baltimore and Ohio Railroad, is the initial construction of the building. Or they built the building back in 1872. Two of the windows on this side in this section. And then by 1879, with the park across the street, they had to enlarge that, add that other section to it, because people were coming from across town to come here to go to the park, or they would catch a train on the other side of town to come here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, welcome to Chester Park. This building was built in 1872, down the corner of Spring Grove and Clifton Avenue.
Cool.